Okay, I'm putting my camera a different way right now, see if it's do a better video in. And there's my centinella plant here. I got a monitor here to keep track of the wetness. I planted some more lettuce seeds. They're coming up. I don't know if you can see that. I put some cinnamon in it because I saw one of the roly-polies in it. And that's supposed to keep the bugs away, supposed to. But then the other night, I seen a squirrel trying to eat out of it. So I don't know. Got bees around the hummingbird feeders. They're almost gone, hummingbirds. I heard my fountain. On this pool here, a few days ago, we took the liner into the pool store because it has a warranty on it, supposedly. And we told them it leaks. You can see through it. So hopefully that works. Let's run to the garden here. Okay, here we are at the watermelon on the top side. You can tell it got a little wind. You can hear the pipe pan banging. I took the netting off this morning. Don't need that no more. Rutgers is one I don't want. They're nasty. Okay, I'm gonna pull this one here. I'll show you what my other tomatoes done. We can go in the house. I'm just sitting on the counter. Okay. We have a lot of tomato we had. What I'm starting doing now, because some of them got overripe, start rotting, so what we're doing, we're putting in a plastic container inside the fridge. Okay, I'm pulling this green pepper. That one can stay. I don't see nothing on there. I'll see how this camera works upside down. I got upside down, but won't record upside down. Okay. Yellow pepper. This tomato went haywire on me. Haven't been keeping up on it. I watered this morning, and today is September the 29th, and I'm gonna just water once or twice a week now. I'm not gonna water every 2 days. I'll be busy working anyway. Pick all these peppers here, most of them. See, some of them starting to turn color before they even grow up now. I ate an orange one, and that wasn't hot at all. Pick as many of these as I can. Okay. Picking this one here. See, starting to get something on it. I'm showing you these videos, so if you're having the same problem, you know you're not the only one.
You have entered a monitoring area.
Okay, what we got here? Aha, jalapeno, nice. Keep that on a little bit longer. And keep those. Oh, wait, there's one here. Yeah, I'll pull this one. I'll put this one too. These are the one in the barrels that haven't been growing up. Now they are. There's another one. There's one way back here on this other plant. Okay, let's see what we got down here now. I know I saw something earlier when I was watering. Now they're hiding on me. Right here. Starting to split. Grape tomatoes. Oh, there's a couple more down here. 3 more grape tomatoes. And it's normal to miss some here and there. I have done that a lot. Try not to this time though. Another grape tomato. Cherry tomato. Cherry tomato. I'm gonna pitch that one. Grape tomato. Cherry tomato. I guess that's it. Well, I'll probably some more later. This one, not quite red. I'm gonna pick it anyway. Cause like I said, I'm not gonna do it every 2 days. Water every 2 days now, and pick. I'm gonna do it once, twice a week. Haven't decided yet. Okay. More grape tomatoes. This one's a grape tomato. Pick that pepper. Now since they can spread out, I took that netting out. Maybe they'll start popping up more often. I'm not gonna water as much either because I think that might make them hotter. I don't think they've been that hot this year. Yellow pepper has. Okay. See what I got down here. I'll pull that one. Pull this one. I like it because I'm in my garden, pull all these jalapenos. Oh, there's one here. That's what I got so far. There's another jalapeno plant. There's another one. There's 2 more. Yeah, we're not supposed to get any rains until, like, today is Saturday. We're not going to get any rain until I think Thursday. It's supposed to be 1/4 of an inch, and they may change that. We got another heat wave coming in too. Thought I saw another pepper here. Right here. And I'll see how this video turns out when I got my camera upside down. Here's a gyroscope in it. Gyro something we'll call it, and it keeps it upright no matter what. It's not a cheap camera, that's for sure. Bought my own money. It's an Insta360. That's another one? Nope. That's all. I'm gonna pick on you. Oh, a bunch of more yellow ones here. Nope. Got some buds with that one. Usually they pull right off. I'm just getting too anxious here. I'll save some for next time though. Well, we have enough peppers to hold us off to next summer. And I got over 3 jars of sliced pepper rings already. And I'll be working on my 4th jar of pepper rings. Haven't done it with the yellow peppers yet. I'm not sure that'll work too well or not. They don't do the same as green peppers. Here are my pepperoncinis. I've been slicing these and freezing these up. I think I told you before I thought about freeze drying, but those machines are expensive. Let's see. Here. Oh, pull some more buds off. I need to start clipping these. Stop pulling on them. Sometimes they pull easy, sometimes they don't. So you won't see my garden video as much now since I won't be doing this as much, but I'll still be doing it. And I like showing you what I get, the way I do it. See, it's almost a full basket right here. No big tomatoes though. Oh, here's another red tomato. Or close to it. Oh, don't want to push you open. That top don't go that great. See that top? I'll pull this one too. Yeah, see? I don't know what's causing that. Anybody know, let me know. Huh. Okay, that's still green, yeah. I still got some in the fridge from my last one. This one here. See, this vine is just, I'm gonna pull this. I'll cut it open, probably throw it out. This one here. I don't know what to say about that. Well, didn't get me some watermelons. I was hoping. There's another tomato in here hiding. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. And at the end of the video, I want to show you about these touch-me-nots. I touched a seed pod and it burst right open. I collected some seeds this morning. Let's run over here to strawberries. Okay, here we are in the strawberries. See what this one looks like. Yeah, it's still got a little white on it. I'll keep that there. Let's see what we got in here. That one got a white on it. This one here. No. This one here. I can pick this one. I can pick this one. I can pick this one. Only you can see me. I got my camera down low this time. Pick that one. That's all I'm gonna pick there. Okay, let's go in the house now. Okay, now these are the ones I have here. And well, these were ones from before actually. And trying to figure out which one's which here. Was it this one on the 24th? No, I don't think so. And let me try this one here. Yeah, that's the one on the 24th, and today's the 30th. See how red it turned? It was all green. And now I'm going to take, let's see, what am I doing now? One of them was from the 26th, I know that. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a picture of the new stuff I put down there. I moved all the old stuff over, that's red. Move it out of the way. Okay, this is something else I forgot to show you. This morning I picked some touch-me-not seeds. See, it just burst open. See the black seeds here? That black, one black seed. Some of them still are green. Oh, another one just burst open. See if I can do this one here. Oh, that one's not doing it. Anyway, they burst right open. Leaving a seed. These things here, they're nothing. I got a couple green seeds and the brown seeds. Oh no, there's a bunch of brown seeds in there, if you can see that. Black seeds. Let me see if I touch this one here. Oh, that one just burst open. I was going to try to pick it up. That's what they call them, touch-me-nots. Because they'll burst open on you. Anyway, I'm saving these. I left some seeds on the plants so it can seed itself. Anyway, that's what I want to show you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep coming back. Until next time.